Hello again. We're continuing on lesson 62. This is the second part of this lesson though. And so here we have our sentences and we're going to just be practicing again that pattern 2, looking for that direct object. All right, let's begin. The pirates found an old treasure chest. Who found a treasure chest? Pirates. Subject, noun. What is being said about pirates? Pirates found. Verb. Found what? Chest. Is chest the same thing as pirates? No. Direct object. Now we need to go back, remember, and verify that it isn't the same, which we already did that. So now we go to the verb and we change that to a verb transitive. So what kind of chest was it? Treasure. Adjective. What kind of chest? Old. Adjective. An article adjective. The article adjective. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, subject, noun, direct, object. Whoops, Mrs. Karaskia, hold on. Direct, object, pattern 2. Period statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the noun. Separate the complete subject from the complete verb. Shh. And we're done with number 1. All right, moving on. Firefighters use chemicals on a burning plane. Who use chemicals on a burning plane? Firefighters. Subject, noun. What is being said about the firefighters? Firefighters use. Verb. Use what? Chemicals. Are chemicals the same thing as firefighters? No. Direct object. Go back to your verb. Make it a verb transitive. On, preposition. On what? Plane. Object of the preposition. What kind of plane? Burning. Adjective. A, article adjective. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct, object, pattern 2. Period, statement, declarative sentence. On, preposition. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Shh, and we're done again. Number 3. I had a silly dream during the night. Who had a silly dream? I had a silly dream. But what is special about the word I is that it is a pronoun. So I'm going to put SP. Well, what is being said about I? I had. Had is my verb. Had what? Dream. Is dream the same thing as I? No. Direct object. Go back now to your verb. Becomes verb transitive. What kind of dream was it? Silly dream. During, preposition. During what? Night. Object of the preposition. The, article adjective. A, article adjective. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct object, pattern 2. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Preposition, during the night. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Shh. You're done. Are you starting to catch on a little bit on how this works? Good. All right, last one for today. Bobby and I like chocolate cake and pickles. Wow, a little bit different there. I would be thinking maybe ice cream. But anyway, chocolate cake and pickles. All right, so who likes chocolate cake and pickles? Bobby and I. So we have compound, subject, noun. Compound, subject, pronoun. Ooh, they're getting tricky. And is our conjunction. All right? What is being said about Bobby and I? Like, verb. What do they like? They like cake and pickles. So just like we have a compound subject noun, we have a compound direct object. So cake, compound direct object. Pickles, compound direct object. And is our conjunction. Now what kind of cake was that? Adjective. Same thing, once again, we've got a subject, noun. I forgot. After we verified, which I didn't do, that the cake and the pickles are not the same thing as Bobby and I, we have to go back and change our verb and make it a verb transitive. I hope you caught that before I did. All right, so back over here, I've got verb transitive, direct, object, pattern, to. Now continuing on, period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate, shh, and we're done with today's lesson once again. And now what I would like to ask you to do is to take out page 92 and go ahead and practice this by yourself now to see if you can do this again. But turn off the video, don't peek, and try it on your own to make sure that you really can identify what is pattern 2.